Human Rights Day is observed by the international community every year on December 10th. International Human Rights Day is marked every year on December 10th with activities led by the Office of the United Nations High Commissioner for Human Rights. The day marks the anniversary of the Assembly's adoption of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in 1948. Many of the basic ideas that animated the human rights movement developed in the aftermath of the Second World War and the events of the Holocaust, culminating in the adoption of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights in Paris by the United Nations General Assembly in 1948. This day is observed to promote equality, peace, justice, freedom, and the protection of human dignity. Every individual is entitled to rights irrespective of race, color, religion, sex, language, or social status. What are the 5 basic human rights? Human rights include the right to life and liberty, freedom from slavery and torture, freedom of opinion and expression, the right to work and education, and many more. Everyone is entitled to these rights, without discrimination. To promote interdependence among countries in all areas of cooperation by identifying countries' common strengths and opportunities, which will help reduce poverty and improve the quality of life for people, whilst developing a knowledge-based society within country and enhancing community and people empowerment.
Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe for more awesome content each and every single week. Also be sure to leave a like, share with your friends and comment what you thought down below.